on yes. Click on allow, click on yes.
This is M4 has invited you. Are you M4? Is that you?
Yeah, that is me. M4, yes. Click OK.
Okay, M4. Should I call you M4?
Alright. Yeah, you did a great job. I really appreciate that.
Yeah.
So now I'm connected with the computer with server. Do you see the mouse cursor is moving on the screen?
Yeah, is that you doing that M4?
Yeah. That is me. I'm moving the cursor. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, first of all, let me connect it, okay? With a different server so I can work on the computer better.
Yeah.
And sir, how old is this computer?
I bought it 6 months ago.
6 months ago.
Yeah.
And you're the only user of this computer?
Yeah.
Right. And basically, what are you using this computer for?
I use it for each and everything.
Right, for everything.
Yeah, each and everything. So what is it you're doing now? What's this?
Sorry?
What is it you're doing? May I ask? What's going on?
Sir, I can hardly understand because your voice is breaking a little bit.
Okay.
I'm not getting your voice very well. Can you please change a little bit your location?
Where do you want me to move to? I can. Do you want me to move to India or something?
Sorry?
Where do you want me to move to?
Yeah, now it's better. I can hear you a little bit better.
Okay, well I haven't moved at all, so I don't know what's going on there. So what's happening to my computer? Is it going to live?
Yes.
Do you know what's wrong with it? Can you do some sort of thing and check?
Yeah, so just give me a while, okay? Maybe they can check all this problem. Okay, so now I'm connected to the server, so I can check the problem easily, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Here we go. So this is the message, right?
Yeah, that's the message.
So you can see here, there is a code in here, DW6VP06. So this is a code, basically, it is about the IP address of the computer.
Okay, is that it?
So, yeah. You can see here even, it's asking for the username or these things, because someone is trying to use your IP address for some illegal things or for some wrong things.
Right.
That is why the Windows is blocked, or that's why the Microsoft has stopped the services on your computer. That is a problem that you get. So I have to go ahead and first of all check that who is connected with your computer, who is using your IP address, okay? Do you know what is IP address?
Something to do with the internet?
Yeah. Internet protocol address. Like you're connected with the internet through an IP address. If you're connected, if you're using an internet, so you're using the internet through an IP address, okay?
Okay.
So let me check that who is connected.
Yeah, okay. Who are they?
Oh my gosh.
What? Is that bad?
Yeah, sir. Unfortunately, a lot of people are connected with your IP address, with your internet, but you're not aware about that.
Okay.
Can you see?
Alright, that's not good.
Sir, have you ever shared with someone else your Wi-Fi, your internet, your any password?
Well, no, and I'm not even using my internet at the moment. I've logged into a Wi-Fi hotspot.
Can you see here?
Your IP config.
A lot of active
you can see I'm at Telstra Wi-Fi hotspot.
Yeah, what does it mean active connection? Have you ever? Do you know why is it showing that active connections?
No, I don't. Sorry.
Yeah. So people are connected with your IP address with this moment. You can see they are from some local address and there are some from foreign addresses. Can you see?
Okay.
This is a problem, sir, because these are the people who are trying to do something wrong with your information, with your computer. That is why the Microsoft has blocked them. Or that's why the Microsoft is blocked your computer, that then they cannot do anything more. Because you can see they have established several time connection with your computer.
Yeah.
You can see established.
Yeah.
So they were all connected with your computer.
Okay.
They were using your identities. That's why your computer is blocked. And why it happened? Because your computer has a lot of spyware viruses. You can see spyware viruses. And what this spyware is doing? Once your computer gets infected with the spyware is keep sending your information on the internet. The spyware is keep broadcasting your information, like your personal data, credit card, login user, whatever you are putting on this computer. It will send those information to the unknown people. So when it gets sent to the unknown people, definitely anybody can use it, anybody can misuse it, anybody can steal your personal information, or anybody can do something wrong with that, right, on behalf of your name, because those are your identities. That is a problem.
Alright.
So let me just go ahead and scan your computer, that how many spywares or how many problems is there, that I can check for you and that I can fix it all, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Here we go.
Okay.
So you're using a Core i5 computer.
Yeah.
So Core i5 processor and has a Windows 8.1.
Yeah.
It has a good processor, it has a good RAM, it has a good graphic. So it's a very good computer, sir. According to the configuration, it's a very good computer. So, did you purchase it or somebody, did you purchase yourself or somebody gave you the idea to purchase this computer?
Yeah, I've just bought it, you know.
Yeah, you get a great computer. So, minimum this computer will work for you 15 to 18 years.
Okay.
But in case if you take care of the computer, because computer needs to be clean all the time.
Okay.
If you always keep the computer in a clean,
yeah.
it will always work fine, and it will be always working the best computer, okay?
Okay.
So let me just go ahead and scan the computer. Let's see what is the scanning result.
Okay.
Here we go. Can you see here? The total number of infections which is downloaded on your computer. 674.
Alright.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Your computer has been infected with spyware viruses and malware viruses.
Okay.
So you know that these are the most harmful infections and viruses which can compromise personal data, or which can gather all the information from your computer, and after that it will send that information to the unknown people. Day by day, keep doing these things. And after that also it's helping people to connect with your computer.
Okay.
So the reason that a lot of foreign locations who are connected with your network, who are connected with your computer, they are accessing your computer, that is just because of spyware viruses. Why? Because the spyware viruses have sent your information to them over the internet. And these spyware is keep sending your passwords, your IP address, your information to them. That is why they are connected today with your computer. And this is the reason. Okay. So have you heard about the spyware viruses before?
Yeah, they spy on you and all that shit.
Correct. I believe that you're aware about the spyware viruses.
Yeah.
That's why you can see that today your computer is blocked and you get a lot of problem on the computer.
I also noticed unwanted pop-ups. It says 10. I think there's only one. There's only the one.
Yeah, unwanted pop. Yeah. This is not only unwanted pop. The moment that you're visiting the websites, I believe that you keep getting a lot of pop-ups, a lot of advertisements, right?
Yeah.
On the computer.
Yeah.
So that is this thing.
Yeah.
And also you can see here around 178 software has been damaged or has been stopped. Okay. A lot of Microsoft services and drivers. Let me show you.
Yeah, what's this?
Stop softwares.
Okay.
Yeah, these are all the softwares which has been stopped by spyware viruses.
Oh,
You can see
okay.
that a lot of spyware,
Yeah.
a lot of softwares.
Alright.
So we'll go ahead and rerun all these softwares and we'll repair all these softwares for you, okay?
Oh, okay, that's good. Yeah, cool.
And also we're going to go ahead and remove all this garbage from your computer, all these junk files, which
Okay.
makes your computer lazy, which makes your computer slow. After that, your computer will be working fine, like any computer all the time, okay?
Alright, yeah.
So the reason behind all this problem... Sorry?
Nothing, sorry. Excuse me, I was just burping there. I don't have my farting soundboard at the ready, so otherwise I'd use that, but continue on, please.
Alright. So the reason behind of all this problem is just because of the security which is messed up on the computer, you can see. The antivirus security is not working fine, you can see. There is an exclamation mark on that. And the network security is also not available. This is the two reasons that your computer is not secure.
Okay.
If the network security is visible, so it means from internet any unauthorized access or anything can download to the computer, anything can come on the computer over the network, and any of your information can be broadcast to the internet because of the viruses. So an antivirus is protecting the software of your computer, it's protecting the drivers of your computer, all these things.
Right.
And these are the two securities which is a requirement of the computer, but both of them is not working fine. That's why your computer is getting virus. Because right now the door is open for them. For example, this is the internet and this is your computer.
Yeah. Why is the internet round and my computer square?
Sorry?
Why is the internet sort of roundish and my computer's more of a funny square? Why is that?
The internet is the world, right?
Oh, okay.
That's why.
That's not a very good picture of the world. You didn't draw anything on it.
Sorry, I'm not good at drawing. I'm just trying to explain it for you, okay? That you can...
Yeah. Didn't you go to preschool or something? Don't they have preschool in India or not?
Sorry?
Didn't you learn to draw at preschool or primary school or something? Oh. Well, he hung up. I'll try ringing back.
Hello?
Yeah,
sorry,
hello.
So you called got disconnected.
Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, the call got disconnected. What, are you still connected to the computer? Oh, you must be. It's... Yeah?
I'm still connected. Yeah.
Yeah, I was just really wanting to get this computer fixed.
Okay, so sir, what is required to be done, okay? To fix your computer?
Yeah.
You need to do a cleanup, okay?
Alright.
I'll write down everything.
Yeah.
So we need to do a cleanup, okay?
Yeah.
We need to do a tune-up. We have to remove all the infections and viruses which is downloaded.
Okay.
And we'll go ahead and remove all the warnings and errors.
I didn't see any warnings and errors. Where were they? I don't think you showed me them.
Sorry?
I don't think you showed me any warnings and errors. I didn't see them.
Okay, I'll show you. These are the errors and warnings which I'm talking about. Can you see?
Yeah, I see them. But what are they? Are they harmful or anything?
Of course they are harmful. Like whenever the computer is getting a problem, that time you're getting a warning. Security warnings, errors. So we should remove all these warnings.
There's a lot.
Okay. Yeah, it's a lot. 1,078.
Okay, can't I just leave them there?
Sorry?
Can't I just leave them there? They got to live somewhere.
You can leave it there?
Yeah, I don't want the errors and warnings to be homeless. I've got to leave them somewhere. They got to live somewhere. Why can't they live on my computer?
So we need to remove all these warnings, okay? Because all sign of infections. Like whenever infections get downloaded, so you get a warning.
Okay.
So we'll remove that, okay, always.
Alright.
And we'll update the drivers of your computer.
Okay.
Then we'll install the security, okay, the network security.
Okay.
We'll install an antivirus.
Yeah.
And we'll install anti-spyware.
Alright.
And we'll install time malware.
Yeah.
And we will install an ad blocker so we can block all advertisements.
Okay.
Then if you do any banking, you can also install banking security on your computer.
What about an anti-hacking thing? Anti-hacking tool or something?
Sorry?
Anti-hacking tool or something? Like that?
Yeah, we have also that anti-hacking tools.
Yeah. Do you have an anti-scamming tool?
Sorry?
Do you have an anti-scamming tool?
Anti-scamming tools.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have. Yeah, we have.
That's good. Can you type that in?
Yeah, of course I can tell.
Yeah, because I want to make sure I get everything. You forgot the anti-scamming tool. That's better.
Alright?
Anti-scamware. Okay, that sounds good.
Okay, any other software that you need?
I don't know. I've actually got something. Hang on. I've actually got Norton Complete Security. Is that any good? I've been using that. This here. Isn't that any good? Can you read it?
Yeah.
Is that any good? What's that say there? What was that? I think it detected something, didn't it? I think it's detected you, hasn't it? That'll teach you for hanging up on me. I'll keep calling you back. Hey?
Yeah, this is fake software.
Well, it takes one to know one, doesn't it? You shouldn't have hung up on me before. Hello? Don't give me
Sorry?
don't give me the silent treatment either, okay? It's found you, see? It's found you. You've been detected. What have you got to say for yourself? I've called you again and again over the last few days. And you keep hanging up on me. And giving me the silent treatment too. You going to say anything? No, he's hung up.